Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm just going to talk you through today how to book a session for the Switching Gears Festival on Eventbrite. So if you find it via one of our social medias, you can use the link or you can go to your search engine and just type in Eventbrite. And it's just at the top there. And then once you're in Eventbrite, you can click in the search events at the very top and type in Switching Gears Festival. So here it is, our lovely page. It's got a bit about the event and then there's the event schedule. So that tells you about each event that's happening throughout the week, a little bit about it and a bit about the guest speakers. And then we've got our accessibility documents. So any adaptations or requests, you can send us an email. If there's anything else you want added to that as well that you think we've missed, send us a message, that'd be great. And then up at the top, the green button, you can click that and you can register. And here's the different events again. So you can scroll down and choose as many or as few as you like. And you just click 1 or leave it at 0 if you don't want to attend that event. And then click register, the orange button at the bottom. Okay, and here's just some contact information. So first name, surname and the email address that you want your ticket link to be sent to. And then you can give different details for your tickets if you're buying on behalf of someone else or just put your own details again. And there's also an option to put any questions that you have for the speakers for that particular session. And also you can make a note of any accessibility requirements you have, so perhaps closed captions or being sent the documents in advance. And there's also the option to copy and paste your details over if you are booking for all 3 sessions. And again, you can ask different questions for the different sessions. And click at the bottom if you want to be kept updated or if you want to be sent emails about future events we run. And then just click register. And that's you. You'll receive an email confirmation and then closer to the event you'll receive a link to actually join the Zoom meeting, as well as an optional survey. And that's us. We look forward to seeing you there.